Hi friends, let us analyze what has happened in today's Bank Nifty 5-minute future chart. The day started with a strong bullish candle with selling pressure, and thereafter followed an inside candle, and thereafter market crashed. When market crashed down, the high can be considered as solid structure and is a good place to put stop loss for any short calls at these levels. Now, as you can see, price has created lower highs and lower lows in all these vectors until price reached this level. This is where big manipulation has taken place. This candle forms the basis for all manipulation. Okay, let me tell you how. And rest of the market is all determined based on this single candle alone. As you can see, when market created a fractal bar like this, closing one candle above, many people think that it is a buy call. Probably it is in many cases. However, the following two candles clearly deviate from what should be a possible buy call. It hasn't closed above this particular candle, hasn't closed above this one. It pierced it and immediately followed by a strong bearish candle. And price struggle to these levels. Okay, price when if it is in real market and if it is in real market, whenever you see price trying to move on this level, it would be very lucrative to enter short call because of this strong bearish candle. However, again market did not pierce here and then went up. So there's a manipulation happened at this candle level and manipulation happened at this candle level. So which of these areas is the dominant area for market makers, we don't know it. Now when price is doing two ways manipulation, it is better to wait and watch which ways the uh, you know which ways the market makers might want to move after this manipulation. Clearly with this candle which has broken about this level, it is indicating that it is the buy side that the market makers want to move. So if that is the case, when price returns, again the same market makers who has manipulated again can come into picture and then make the moment market move upside. So let us see how this can be done. Now since this is the candle that is first manipulated, we can just draw a line like this. Okay, and then extrapolate this line into the latest candle that is manipulated. Okay, now I think many things will have become clear to you. After market has closed above this level and then has fallen very sharply, so once price broke this level and with a strong bearish candle, again many of us retail traders might want to go short here. They might have entered while this candle was forming or when this candle was closed. Many people might have entered short call and might be expecting the market went up. But again, as you can see, this is the line that is manipulated, this red line, and market pierced that, did not close it below it, and then created an inside candle. That is when we have to assume that the same market makers are now in action to move the market upside. If that is the case, then we can simply draw a pitchfork with the latest highs and lows. Okay, so if you are unable to understand this movement, to catch this movement, the same line which was drawn earlier out extrapolated from the highs here placed at this level is now acting as a support zone. So the intersection of this line with this sloped line from pitchfork is a perfect intersection and a perfect place for again to go long with a stop loss below this candle. Okay, even the ideal stop loss should still be this below this level because this is the area that is manipulated. So but since keeping risk reward ratio in context, given that this line is working as a great support line, we have entered long call at this position. And obviously the next market high or the outward frequency of the latest high should be the target. So market exactly touched that point and then has reversed. So this is how our analysis goes like, guys. So if you are interested to know more about how the price action works and want to go with are interested to look for training on these extraordinary concepts, please do subscribe us. You can reach us on our mobile number or text me on any of the comment section in the videos, and then we will revert. Thank you.